Hi, everybody. I wanted to create a video so that I could show everyone some options that you have this week. So I just created an extra credit opportunity. It is due by tomorrow because it's the end of the triad, and so I want it to go on your grade as quickly as possible. And it's for science. So let me just show you. I'm sharing my screen with you because I want to show you where to go to find the extra credit. Some of you have probably found it already and maybe have already figured it out, but this will just explain exactly what you have to do. And then you can pause this video, you can fast forward or back it up, and it'll be a lot easier for you to go back to. So you want to log in. I figured that I would create the biggest extra credit opportunity for science because most of you, if your grade is lower, well, not most of you, but if you have a lower grade, for most of my students right now, it's because of science. And oddly enough, for some reason, some people didn't do the survivor biome task. You can still make up that task, and that would actually be the best thing to do for your grade. So you can absolutely do that. The survivor biome, this is period 4, but you could do this in period 6 also. Just go to your science class. Go down to survivor biomes. If you don't see it there, just click view more and go to survivor biomes task, click on it, finish it, and then hit turn in. Okay, so you should see this here. You should see yours, and you won't see this on my screen, but you will see a turn in button. Finish it and turn it in. Don't just turn it in without doing it, as you already know. So that is the best option. But for those of you who don't have that missing, you have nothing missing, and you still want to do a little extra credit. I put in these extra credit options. Now, there are 2 steps to the extra credit option, okay? You have to do extra credit step 1, choose 1 article. You do not have to do all 3 unless you would like to. They are interesting. But just choose 1 article, click on it, click on the link. It's a Newsela link. This gives you lots of instructions just in case. Click in, sign in. If you're not familiar with Newsela, you sign in with your Google account and just be sure that you know I can actually see how much time you spent reading the assignment, so be careful. I want to close this. So you have 3 options to choose from. You only have to read 1 article. Then go down and complete step 2. Reading the article is not the only step. So step 2 is complete the digital Frayer model. Now, if you can't do this on a computer or it's really difficult and you're like, ugh, I'm frustrated with the tech, or you're trying to do it on your phone, you can do this on a piece of paper, just like we would in class, and you can submit a picture of the digital Frayer model. So click here. This is going to give you your digital fact Frayer model. It will be yours. You'll be able to turn it in when you're done digitally. And you click on that. It's going to give you the directions. Make sure you read all of the directions. I'm not going to go over that because I typed them all up for you. And notice the due date. It's due by Friday, 4/17, so tomorrow. And then click on the next page. This is where you will interact with it. So you will want to type right in here, read this information. You can delete it, and then type in your facts from the article that you read. Copy and paste images that are related to the article. You're going to want to put the title of the article that you chose, put your name, put the teacher's name, and then make sure you complete this all the way. Quality work is going to get more points, and not very good quality work might not even get any points, because I've had some people that have sometimes turned things in not all the way done. So it just depends. I haven't put a point amount on here because it really depends on the quality. So once you do this, you go back out into your thing. You'll have a little turn in button there. Make sure you hit turn in once it's finished, and then I can grade it and hopefully assign some points for you. So that's it. This is the extra credit. This is step 1. You choose 1